Now I would request Mr. Shantaram Shinde, National Channel Head, NTT Limited, to offer his presentation. About Mr. Shantaram Shinde, an engineering graduate, over 27 years of industry experience. During these 27 years, he has mainly delivered as sales and business development leader. Currently, he is in the role to deliver growth for NTT through partner ecosystem in India. He has huge contribution in current partner ecosystem success at NTT.
Hello, partners, and thank you, War India, for giving us this opportunity to present in front of you about NetMagic to Entity, the new avatar. Partners, I'm not going to talk about any specific services or products on this event. For next 8 to 9 minutes, I will spend on what is that we are going to do from services perspective, from a positioning perspective as a solutions company. As we all are aware that in constantly evolving world, technology doesn't stand still. And that is where our role as a company comes in. So what is that you're going to hear from us going forward? You're going to hear from us purpose-led organization. Together we do great things. You're going to hear delivering connected future. You're going to hear from us on a hybrid workplace. You're going to hear from us hybrid multi-cloud. You are going to hear from us collaboration. You are going to hear from us partner-led, outcome-based. So if you minutely look at each of these terms, they lead to some kind of a solutions or addressing a challenge or a problem a customer is facing. At the core of all of this, there are 5 important things. 1 is the data center, 2 is the global network, 3 is the workforce, 4 is the partner ecosystem, and 5, last but not the least, is the customer ecosystem, which you and I, we all work for that ecosystem. At having this at core, we would like to position this company as at the scale and size and the capacity that it meant for. Partners, this is one of the top 5 global IT service provider with $112 billion in revenue. The R&D spend alone per year is $3.6 billion. This is 3 lakh plus employees company this is an integrated entity headquartered in UK. 30 plus companies have been integrated under NTT Limited umbrella with presence in 80 plus countries. This carries a heritage of 150 years, and this is number 62 in Fortune 500 companies. So this is the size and the scale that we're talking about. Partners, you will get to leverage this scale and the services portfolio for your benefits for your customers. Now coming back to India, specifically, this is 6,500 plus employees, 11 regional offices, 10 data centers, which is over 1.5 million square feet, which will double in a short of time, maybe in 2022 itself. We have 3 R&D centers in India, over 3,000 customers, and over 3,000 technical resources. That is the scale that we are talking about here. Now, what is that we are going to bring it to you? We are going to bring it to you the next generation data centers, the network connectivity, managed hybrid cloud, the managed services, the managed security, the managed collaboration, IoT, the 5G, the private 5G, which is going to be an in thing sooner or later. And we're talking about the digital workplace or hybrid workplace solutions. So partners, with this, you are part of this family. Most of you are part of this family, formally, informally. We are going to evolve along with you as a global company, offering solutions to Indian customers. So what is that we are talking about here for different communities? We are talking about digital insights, operating model transformations. We are talking about delivering end-to-end technology outcome-based solutions. We are talking about globally consistent service landscapes, leveraging our global experience, and delivering it locally. The innovation, the spend that we're talking about is available right in India. The global experience that we carry is available right in India. So these are some of the examples in Indian scenario and globally where we're delivering the outcome-based solutions, be it the top and the busiest airport in India, be it top PSU and private sector banks in India, be it Tour de France, which recently concluded, it's a global event, or campus solutions for education segment, or for ports, the solution delivered for the ports. How are we achieving it? And what outcomes are we giving to you through our competitiveness and the customer experience and the global experience through customers is the operations automation, the machine learning, and the analytics. What you saw the examples, this is exactly where it comes from. Right? Now, these are some of the customer logos that we have globally, which includes also Indian customers. You can go through it at your leisure. These are some of the marquee names globally, which most of us know. So partners, why a client should work with us? Now, very important question that your customers might want to ask you. So we talked about global scale and resources. We talked about the pan-India presence, delivering the transformation, the strategic partners that we have on both the spectrums, be it the reseller or the partners or be it OEM partners, cross-platform depth skills that we have globally through our globally delivered projects, right? We have industry-wide recognitions, which you would see going forward. These are some of the recognitions which will entrust the trust of customers on us. These are some of the another accolades that we have. And we are talking about connected future. Now, what is that we are talking about connected future is the entire delivery of framework, not just point-in solution. With this, I would like to thank each one of you and War India for giving this an opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Santaram, for addressing your viewpoints.